Fanzine made for June Jordan's poem About My Rights. From the Essential June Jordan, published by Copper Canyon Press in 2021. You can listen to June Jordan herself reading this poem by checking out poets.org or different YouTube channels. June Jordan, 1975. Quoted in Some of Us Did Not Die, New and Selected Essays of June Jordan, Basic Civitas Books, 2003. The quote goes like this. To be honest, I expect apocalypse, or I look for and I work for defeat of international evil, indifference, and suffering, only when I am not otherwise stunned by the odds, temporarily paralyzed by the revulsion and grieving despair. But life itself compels an optimism. It does not seem reasonable that the majority of the peoples of the world should finally lose joy and rational justice as a global experiment to be pursued and fiercely protected. It seems unreasonable that more than 400 million people right now struggle against hunger and starvation, even while there is arable land aplenty to feed and nourish every one of us. It does not seem reasonable that the color of your skin should curse and condemn all of your days and the days of your children. It seems preposterous that gender, that being a woman, anywhere in the world, should elicit contempt or fear or ridicule and serious deprivation of rights to be, to become, to embrace whatever you choose. Then you find the translation into Spanish. Next page, what I did was turn part of the quote into poem form. On the green page, I have a connection I made. When she speaks of rational justice, I found that I speak of racionalidad empática. And then another quote found in a personal letter she wrote in 1970. And for ourselves, the intrinsic purpose is to reach and to remember and to declare our commitment to all the living, without deceit and without fear and without reservation. We do what we can, and by doing it, we keep ourselves trusting, which is to say, vulnerable, and more than that, what can anyone ask? Fanzine made for the workshops in Sisters Workshops with Poems. You can go to mujerpalabra.net to find some translations of these workshops into Spanish.